Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to disable international transactions on Bluevine debit. If you don't plan on using your Bluevine debit card abroad, disabling international transactions is a smart way to block unauthorized foreign charges. Here's how to do it. The first step is to open the Bluevine app and log into your account. Now from the dashboard, go to settings and then select card management. Now find the option that's labeled international transactions. Toggle the settings to off to block all non-US purchases and withdrawals. Confirm your choice when prompted. Bluevine will immediately apply the restrictions. Now, if you ever travel abroad and need access, you can return to the same menu to re-enable it. After disabling, monitor your account securely to ensure that no unauthorized foreign transactions appear. Disabling international transactions is a simple but effective safeguard against global fraud attempts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.